he doing with his lip?
Why do cookies taste so good when nestled between cups? Pepperidge Farm. Good. These ingredients.
Quick. What color were they? Owle Intense Elf Color brings out your natural color. It's the #1 eye intensifier collection in America. It's my #1 too. Available in 4 shade collections, one for every eye color. Intense eye color, only from Owle.
Mr. Twitter himself. Oh, well, thanks for not calling me the chief of Twitter. Stoli Gala. Voluntary Twitter is a listing by sticking their every tweet to change. Twitter is just a constant stream of meaningless babble. You don't see the big picture. Yes, that's progress. Speaking of progress, this is one about with you, the most original multi-serve foods switching to Geico really saved you 15% or more on everything. Does a foreman drill sergeant make a terrible therapist? My mama makes me sad, I think. You know what? Check on over to Mamby Pamby Land, where maybe we can find a little confidence for you, you jackwagon. Did you? Could save you 50.
You wanted a diamond set, Polly.
It's like deflating him. Yeah, hi, Jared.